So after 5 months, ngayon lang tayo nakagala ulit, baby.
Daddy, don't go back to your work now.
Ah?
What you said, kuya?
Go back to your work.
Don't go back to your work anymore na daw, daddy.
Ha, bebe?
I am about to be sick.
Ha?
Nasusuka na ako.
Ay, kuha ng plastic doon.
Nagsusuka na.
Daddy, Daddy,
Plastic,
I wish you
plastic.
would not go and ship that in,
Ha, bebe?
Oo, i-open mo, Han. Oo. Baka naninibago. Tsaka kasi yung taxi na sinakyan namin kanina, ang hina ng aircon, tapos, no?
Kasi yung auto.
Ang bagal pa.
You're good na, bebe? Yael?
I
No?
feel like Mom.
Ay, patay na yung aircon muna. Huwag tsaga muna kayo sa walang aircon.
It's already
Huh?
closed, Mama.